Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating a look using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. So I finally received the palette after like a month of waiting. So it's finally here. So here's the palette in all its beauty. Really gorgeous colors. So let's get started. So using an e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to pack on Minty, which is this minty color here. This is my first time using a Jeffree Star palette, so I'm not sure of the payoff of the colors, but I'm excited. So Minty is a very light minty color, but it's laying down nicely, and it blends out really seamless. I really like the feeling of his formula. Okay, so Minty is now on. We're gonna put it on the other eye now. Alright, so Minty is now on both eyes, and now using a different brush, but it's the same e.l.f. blending eye brush, we're gonna use Blue Blood, which is this one here. It has a cute little crown, and I'm barely dipping my brush in there and it's picking up so much product. I like that. I feel like I always use these colors on my channel. Okay, so Blue Blood and Minty are now on. So now we're gonna jump into Flourishing, and we're gonna put Flourishing right on the lid. This has no fallout. I like that. So yeah, this is Flourishing. I don't know if I said that already. Flourishing is now on. So far I like how the colors all blend together. Now we're gonna jump into Cullinan. I think that's how you pronounce that word. Not with this brush. But we're gonna jump into Cullinan, which is this one here. I think it has shimmer. Let me swatch it real quickly. Is it supposed to be blinding? It's a little blinding, I guess. So we're gonna use the JS6 and jump into Cullinan and pack that in the inner corner of the eye. So that's Cullinan on the inner corner of the eyes. With whatever's left on your brush, just smoke that in from the outer corner to the inside, okay? Just bring that in. Alright, so the color is on the bottom lashes. And now, let's do Undertaker, which is this dark matte blue color, like navy blue, right on the outer corner of the eyes. I love how I start without an idea of what I'm going to be doing, and I love how it ends up looking. Alright, so now that those colors are on, I'm going to put a little bit of Entitled right on the center of the lid to give it a little shimmer, because it's a little bit of a shimmery green, and I think it would look really nice on top of the center there. So let's use the best tool we have, which is our finger. Oh my god, they feel so smooth. That looks pretty. Alright, so those are the eyes. We'll do the lips in a little bit. So we're gonna use the Eyelure number 126 eyelashes. And these are actually one of my favorite lashes, because this was my first pair of lashes to ever buy. Alright, so the lashes are now on. So I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes so we can finish the look with the lips. And for the highlighter, we're using King Tut. And now for the lips, we're going to jump into the Blue Blooded Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipsticks. Let's jump into Titanic. Titanic is this one here. Really nice purple. It's like a blue purple. And I believe it has glitter. Yes, it does have glitter. So let's check it out. So I recommend that you use a moisturizing lip balm before you apply any of the lipsticks. That way your lips don't feel dry after you take them off, you know? So today I was actually using the Mary Babe lip balm and peppermint, and it has a couple other ingredients in there, but it's all organic. I really recommend this one. It does have CBD. It's 5 milligrams of CBD. And it's really awesome. I like it a lot. I'll go ahead and link her store down below, and that way y'all can check it out. So that's Titanic on the lips. I'm gonna put a little bit of Drug Lord right in the center to give it a little highlight. Which Drug Lord is this one here. And a little bit goes a long way because it's very pigmented. So you don't want to overdo it. I really loved this palette. I loved how all the colors blend seamlessly together, as y'all can see. And then I really love the lip colors. They're really pretty. So this was Titanic and Drug Lord. And then on the eyes, well, I did all those colors that y'all watched me do, so. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. What do you guys think of this look? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.